table has been out of stock for 3 weeks. Will we ever get it? Spoiler alert, yes we do. Okay, this part is fun. I like living in the city. It is, I don't know what time it is. It is almost noon and we're just on our way.
We will get straight to the...
Where is she? Huh? What?
We will get straight to the...
We'll go straight to lunch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually, back when it was an hour ride to the city, by noon, if I'm not in the city, I'm not going. Here, we're only a couple minutes away. So we're going to jump on a jeepney, go to the city, stay for a while, come back, ain't no worries. I like being in the city. What's for lunch?
Rib shack.
Huh?
Rib shack.
Rib shack. Okay. Not sure what's going on. Somebody bought a lot of chairs. Any more? Yeah, here comes some more. Somebody bought a whole lot of chairs. I mean, that's really a lot of chairs. Maybe they're transferring it to another store where someone's having a big party. So this thing's been out of stock for a while. And they just texted us and said it was back in stock. So she's getting her table with the Lazy Susan. She was looking at a couple of these, but they're not that much cheaper. These are very similar in price. This is like $18,000 and that is $21,000, so it's really not worth any worries on that. And then these over here are more like $7,000 each. And she liked a couple of those, but you know, she's wanted that round one forever. This little wooden one here, was it $3,900? That's what we have at the old house. It's pressed wood. I thought it would last for 2 or 3 years. We've had it for 8, and 5 of that is on the outside, out on the sala. Not even in the house, and it's lasted. It's really shocking that it lasted. She just wanted to replace it, and I don't blame her. So we're getting that. Oh, she found a Valance. Too bad we just ordered one on Shopee. It's supposed to be here today. Oh, there it is. Why are they getting it out already if... Oh, I get they have to check it, of course. And it's scratched up. No, it's not. It's just powder. Okay. It's wrapped, but they have to take it out, uncrate it to check it before we buy it. I know it needs to be done, but it's really a pain in the butt for them. Where'd she go? Hey, lady. You need to come watch them. They're unboxing it for you. Probably necessary, but it does seem like a lot of extra work. They're checking for scratches and chips. I think by opening it, they're more likely to scratch and chip it themselves. But like always, I stay back and let people do what they're going to do.
1 week later.
There's the Unitop truck. Our table has arrived. It really does look heavy. I feel bad, but I'll tip them. The tabletop is too large for the elevator. The base might make it. Sweep, sweep, quickly, quickly. They're coming. We just ordered this mosquito netting, and it uses Velcro. We only Velcroed it on 3 sides, so we can still open and close the window. And we hope it works, because we got it in place right before the table showed up. And once the table is in place, that's going to be hard to get to. That's not where it's going to go, but as you can see, it fits. That is the top, upside down. What are you thinking?
I'm excited.
You like it? You've been wanting this table for like ever, right?
Yes.
It's a very popular table here. Everybody seems to like this round one with the Lazy Susan. It's a synthetic marble, which means basically it's like ground up stone and epoxy. So it's like pressed wood made with stone, something like that. But the top shines up. I don't know if it's a coating or a polish, but the top looks nice. And I'm gonna have to get some cleanser. And here it comes. Watch out! I was surprised to find out later they chose to take the stairs the entire time. A lot of delivery people do that. I'm not sure. I think the security in these buildings has like trained them not to use the elevators. I don't know. I would say use the elevator. That's what it's for. The real question is, why don't we have a freight elevator? I don't know. They did a very good job of putting it together, and a very, very good job of cleaning up after themselves. There was quite a mess made while I'm creating this, and they did very good at taking everything with them. And I appreciate that. Also, amazingly, they did a really good job of assembling this. Just kind of sits there. I suppose that gets bolted down, I would hope. They have a drill. I think it gets, I was hoping it gets screwed down. Gravity would probably hold it, but screws would be better. They measured like 2 or 3 times before actually assembling it, which is a good thing. More often than not, I have to reassemble furniture when we get it home, because a lot of the guys at the store, they put it together and they do a pretty bad job of it. These guys did a great job. While he's putting it together, his other guy is bringing us our chairs. I believe there are 6. As I said, they did a real good job. It was like not old, but the older guy assembled it while the other guy hauled everything up. And he like double checked everything, measured, remeasured, made sure he put it together really straight, really level. That's that's surprisingly good. I actually, even in the U.S., I've had some deliveries not go so well. These guys did incredibly well. I did offer him a measuring tape, but he preferred to use the strawless. Measure for diameter, fold it for the radius, make sure everything's centered. I am a little concerned about that little tray in the center. That is the turntable for the Lazy Susan. I don't know what quality it is, what the ball bearings are like, lubrication. That could be the weak point of the table later. Right now it spins fine. Doesn't seem to have anything for maintenance, so hopefully it just lasts. But like I said, he's measuring everything. When they put it on, he remeasures again, makes sure everything's centered. I mean, they did a phenomenal job. And yes, I did tip them pretty well, I think, because they did a great job, not just carrying it up, but a very good job of installation and cleanup. The only thing left was a couple scuff marks on the floor, which happened, and they mopped right up. After we mopped it up, well, she did. So he's checking everything, moving it around. Again, very impressed with the delivery. Was quite happy with it. And she's wanted this table forever. It's a cute table. It's a little more money than I would have spent on a table, but it's so cute. I like it too. Okay. See, we got our table It fits. I knew it would fit. It's a little tight. Everything's tight here. These places are small. This couch has to be put back in place again.
Yes, yes.
But we're working on it. Would you like to sit at your new table? You hear that squeak? Yeah, these wooden chairs, they squeak on that floor bad. So I have some felt left over. I used it on my drawer on the desk because it squeaked like that too. And I bought a huge pack of this felt. So I'm putting it on all the chair legs so they will no longer squeak when you drag them around. I don't want to scratch up the floor and I don't want the noise.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah.
What's for dinner? What's for lunch?
Look, the lazy Susan brings your phone right to you. And you missed it.
Oh, I know now. I will put the fruit here and then I spin it, and who gets what, he will eat it.
Oh, I thought we could do it like playing.
Jackfruit, durian, the food that you know, like
I thought we could do it like spin the bottle.
spin the table.
You ever spin the bottle? That's not an answer. Yeah, spin the table instead of spin the bottle. 7 minutes in heaven. So we're enjoying our new table. I really like the way the living room is coming together. I'll let her pretty much pick everything, but she picked well. It looks good. It's organized well. I'm enjoying it. We're having a first dinner. Soup. It's not an exciting dinner, but it was a good soup. It's a nice table, and we have a nice view. Welcome home. Enjoy your day in paradise.